So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable adaptive color tone on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So the first step is to go ahead and open the settings app. And then from here, you're going to scroll and select the option display. Under display, you're then going to look for adaptive color tone and you should see a toggle next to it. So adaptive color tone simply uses your nearby surroundings lighting to adjust the screen temperature of the phone, whether it's going to be warmer or colder. So if you want to simply enable it, you're just going to tap on the toggle like that and it will be turned on. Now, based off of your surroundings, you can see the screen is turning warmer. However, if I choose to turn it off, then like that, by tapping on the toggle, it will go back to its default state. And if I ever want to change the color tone, I'll need to do so manually. So it's up to you to decide how you want to use this feature on your Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.